Robotics is a fascinating field where science and technology come together to create machines that can do tasks automatically. Imagine machines that can walk, talk, or even think like humans. Sounds exciting, right? At its core, robotics is all about designing and constructing robots. These robots can be as simple as a toy that can move around or as complex as a futuristic machine that can explore space. But what is a robot exactly? A robot is a mechanical device that can perform tasks on its own. Think of robots as helpers. They can do things people need, like clean the floor, help build cars, or even assist in surgeries. The magic behind robots lies in a combination of engineering, computer programming, and electronics. Engineers design the robot's structure, like its arms and legs, so it can move. Programmers write the code that instructs the robot on what tasks to perform, and electronics are like their nervous system, sending signals that control the robot's actions. Let's use an example to understand how a robot works. Imagine a robot cleaner. Its job is to clean the floor. First, the engineers create a design that includes wheels to move around. Next, the programmers develop a program that tells the robot to move forward, backward, turn, and avoid obstacles. Lastly, sensors and microchips are added to help the robot see and understand what's around it, so it doesn't bump into things. There are different types of robots, each built for specific tasks. Some robots can help humans do everyday chores, while others are designed to work in factories or explore places too dangerous for humans, like the deep sea or outer space. Robotics is not just about creating useful machines. It's a dynamic field that sparks innovation and fuels the imagination. It's exciting because it brings together ideas from various fields, allowing for endless possibilities. In summary, robotics is an amazing study area that combines creativity and technology. Whether you're interested in programming or engineering or just working with cool gadgets, there is a place for you in the world of robotics. All you need is curiosity and a desire to learn. And you could even be the designer of the next groundbreaking invention in robotics.